In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark task complete in Asana. Marking a task complete is one of the simplest and most important actions you'll take in Asana. It's the moment that tells your team this is done, and it keeps projects accurate, timelines up to date, and everyone aligned. The great news is that it takes just a single click, and you can do it from whichever layout you're using. Let's start with list view, the classic spreadsheet style layout where tasks are stacked in rows. As you scan down the list, look to the far left of each task's name. You'll see a small circle sitting directly to the left of the task title. That circle is your completion control. When you're confident a task is finished, click that circle. Asana immediately marks the task complete, and you'll see a visual confirmation, often a filled check mark, a color change, a strike through on the task name, or even a little celebration if your workspace uses them. Depending on your project settings, completed tasks may move to a completed section, collapse out of view, or simply dim so they're easy to distinguish from what's still in progress. The key idea here is that a single click on that left-hand circle is all you need to officially close the loop on a task in list view. Now, if you prefer a Kanban style layout, you're working in board view. Each task appears as a card inside a column, often labeled things like to do, in progress, or done. On every task card, look to the top left corner, you'll find the same checkmark circle right there, built into the card itself. When the task is finished, click that circle in the top left corner of the card. The card will update to show it's complete. In some boards, completed cards might dim, show a checkmark badge, or move depending on your board's configuration and any automations your team has set up. Again, the action is exactly the same as in list view. One click on the checkmark circle, and the task is marked complete. A quick note on what happens behind the scenes. Marking a task complete can update project progress, clear it from certain views, and let collaborators know it's finished. If you notice a task seemingly disappear right after you complete it, that usually means your view is set to hide completed items, which helps keep your workspace focused on what's still open. That's all there is to it. Whether you're in list view or board view, the checkmark circle is your finish line. Click it when the work is truly done. Keep your projects clean and current, and help your team stay perfectly in sync.